For a dance. Good morning, everyone. My deep mouth. It's Tuesday today, and it's not snowing outside for me. It might be for you, but it is still quite chilly. Mae'n eithaf oer heddiw hefyd. Felly, dyn ni'n mynd I ddawnsio I deffro lan y car. We're going to wake up our bodies this morning. So before we go, just check your space is big enough. Mae'n digon o le to stretch those arms out side to side, front and back. You could kick your legs in every direction without breaking objects, siblings, yourself, anything like that. Just make sure you've got loads of room. Everything we do today should feel good for your body. So if there's something that doesn't quite feel nice, just gadael e mas, leave it out. You don't have to do anything that doesn't feel good for your bodies. If you want to just do the arms today, that is absolutely fine. You can do it from your sofas, yeah? So mae popeth yn teimlo'n dda am y corff heddiw. Just wneud yn siŵr bod digon o ddŵr. Make sure you've got some water with you because we are going to get quite sweaty today again. And that you've got a grown-up with you just looking after you whilst you're dancing. Yeah, pawb gyda oedolyn gyda nhw. Iawn I ddechrau dawnsio? Great. Os ydych chi moyn shout out, gallech rhoi neges in the chat. Let me know if who's there and where you're dancing today, and I will give you a shout out. Yeah. Here we go. Rydyn ni'n mynd I dechrau gan teithio o gwmpas y stafell, travelling around the room. Fel cerdded down the street, walking down the street, saying hi to the neighbours. Picking up the pace a bit faster. Dodging all those things in the space, not walking in straight lines, but trying to zigzag. Hands in clap. When I clap, I would like you to make a balance today, but can it be an interesting balance? So can you maybe think about stretching into all the corners of the room? Yes, so when I clap once, we're going to go for a stretch. When I clap twice, double, can you make a small shape that looks a bit like a pretzel? It's so folded up and small. Teeny, teeny, teeny. Da iawn. Okay. Teithio gwmpas y stafell. Da iawn. A wedyn, rhedeg o gwmpas. Da iawn. Let's cerdded and isel your shower. Low to the ground. Pretzel. Iawn. Yn uchel. Hi, travelling. Ooh, hold it. Oh, damn. Bit in upright, galloping sideways. Newid. Far back. Yeah. Cerdded in slow motion. Mae'n eitha galed. Nawr, mor galed ych chi gallu. Aros. Stop. Da iawn. Tipyn bach o ddŵr. Shout out am Maxine a Malcolm yn dawnsio gyda their grandson heddiw yn Bill Sweld. Whoop, whoop. A hefyd i ysgol y Banau. Hen ysgol fi, bore da. Da iawn chi yn dawnsio bore yma. Iawn. Let's dechrau'r llawr. Eistedd yn dal. Ac yn fach. Yn dal. Ac yn fach. Un mwy. Good, I tried. For last. Yeah, dwi'n mynd I rolio. Ac y ffordd arall. Da iawn. Fel y wen. Gyflym. Fel cath. A lawr. Lan. A lawr. Un mwy lan. A lawr. Lan I sefyll. Da iawn. Whoa. Tipyn bach mwy o ddŵr, just a little bit more water. And this song is a request by Jean. Hey, Mr. Earth. Barod I symud tipyn bach mwy? Iawn, beth am some break here. Dau. Tracy? Ac yn gyflym? Barod am roller coaster arms? Gyda galop? Masa mewn. Gyda breaker. Ac yn gyflym. Barod am brech, ie, rolio. Cerdded nôl ymlaen. Right, Carnelli, gyda breichiau. Cross. Coesau. Lan i'r top. Lan i'r top. Lan. Sarah. Big whoosh. Agor. Agor. Ac ymestyn. Raw. Ac ar y ffordd. Da iawn. O, memories I fi. Ar Eisteddfod. Barod yn tyfu bach mor ddwy. Mae Hugh a Siôn yn mwynhau dawnsio gyda ti. Roedd ei bod gyda Mr Earth hefyd. O, da iawn Hugh a Siôn. Regulars. Iawn. Tyfu bach o coesau. Mae hynny'n galed, felly gwylio'n agos. Watch carefully. Coes. Tu ôl. Coes. A mewn. I'r ochr. Tu ôl. I'r ochr. Tu mewn. Gyda'r cerddoriaeth. Gyda bounce. Da iawn gyda double. And marches slow. Well, robot. Knees high. Keep going fast. Kicks. Front. In upper. Amen. Barod. Belar strictly. Meddwl am jive. Barod. I'r flaen. Swapio'r coesau. Gyflym. Barod am cydbwyso. Swap. Woo. Da iawn. Mae Darcy yn cyffroes I Mr Earth. Diolch, Jean. Yes, and can dda, Jean. Catchy. It will be in our heads all day, I'm sure. Big shout out to their amazing teacher, Miss Williams, who is a bit of a dancing queen herself. Ooh, that's a good song. Maybe we could have a dancing queen next week. Yeah. Clicks Ostigatli? If not, just pretend. Closer. Line, ochor, me. Line, ochor, me. So we're back at my galette. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Diane! Because I'm happy clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. We're going to do nature ochor, as far as you can go. It's a break, I have it. Diane. Go, Blue. Doubles. Diane. When you run out of space. By the way. Diane, always the outside. Oh. Diane chi. Just tyma bach mwy o ddŵr cyn gorffen. Mae lot o bobl yn dosbarth Erfon from Bilswells Primary School are joining in today. Word up, pawb. Da iawn gyd o chi. Let's cael stretch bach ymestyn nawr. Felly coes ymlaen. Eistedd yn dal. Just brush up, there we go, so brush down the legs and reach up. And again. Whoosh. Half of that. Whoosh. And Adeline, 7 deep breaths. Try to reach for those toes. every time you breathe out, we just see if we can get a little closer to the legs. Try to get it. Close the mass. Steer us with ear to shoulder. And then just sitting comfortably, sitting however you feel comfortable. It could be cross-legged, it could be kneeling, it could be with legs stretched out. Led banag, putin comfy. Cloi aside, just shut those eyes. Granda ir anadol. Listen to the breath. You feel your heart pumping. Maybe you can feel all the blood running around your body. We're going to stay here with eyes closed for a little bit longer. I'm going to listen to that music nice and carefully. When you think the music has completely stopped, you can't even hear that tiniest bit anymore, you can open your eyes. You can open your eyes now, you can have a deep breath, and you're done for today. Wedi gorffen am heddiw. Diolch am dod I dawnsio gyda fi heddiw. It's been really fun and it's been lovely to have all these messages off everyone as well. That's made me smile this morning. Diolch yn fawr. I will see you on DBI on Thursday. Hwyl.